Hi friends, welcome to Turbo Maths channel. Can you solve this question? We need a common denominator to add these fractions. The common denominator of these fractions, or the LCD, is 6. But why the 6 is the common denominator of these fractions? Because 6 is a multiple of 3, 2, and 6. After we find the common denominator, we can add these fractions. 1/3 plus 1/2 plus 1, 6. Now we have a new fraction that the denominator of this fraction is 6. 6 divided by 3 equal 2. And 2 times 1 equal 2. We write 2 in the numerator. Plus 6 divided by 2 equal 3. And 3 times 1 equal 3. We write this on the numerator. Plus 6 divided by 6 equal 1. And 1 times 1 equal 1. 2 plus 3 plus 1 equal 6. In the numerator we have 6. And in the denominator we have 6. 6 divided by 6 equal 1. And we find the answer of this question. The answer is 1. To see more math videos, subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.